Welcome to our channel. Today, we're sharing essential aftercare instructions for tooth extraction to ensure a smooth and speedy recovery. Whether you've had a wisdom tooth removed or another type of dental extraction, these tips are crucial. Let's get started. 1. Immediate post-extraction care. After the procedure, bite down gently but firmly on the gauze pad placed by your dentist. This helps to stop bleeding and form a blood clot in the tooth socket. Keep the gauze in place for at least 30 to 45 minutes. If bleeding continues, replace the gauze and apply gentle pressure for another 30 minutes. 2. Managing pain and swelling. To minimize pain and swelling, apply an ice pack to the affected area for 10 to 20 minutes at a time. Do this for the first 24 to 48 hours. Over-the-counter pain medications, such as ibuprofen, can also help manage discomfort. Always follow your dentist's recommendations regarding pain management. 3. Diet and hydration. Stick to soft foods and avoid hot, spicy, or acidic foods that might irritate the extraction site. Good options include yogurt, applesauce, mashed potatoes, and smoothies. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated, but avoid using straws, as the suction can dislodge the blood clot and delay healing. 4. Oral hygiene. Maintain oral hygiene to prevent infection. Brush your teeth gently, avoiding the extraction site for the first 24 hours. After the first day, you can rinse your mouth with a warm saltwater solution. Mix half a teaspoon of salt with 8 ounces of warm water. Rinse gently to keep the area clean. 5. Activities and rest. Avoid strenuous activities for at least 24 to 48 hours to prevent increased bleeding and swelling. Rest and allow your body to heal. Keep your head elevated while lying down to reduce swelling and promote faster recovery. 6. Signs to watch for. Monitor for any signs of complications, such as excessive bleeding, severe pain, fever, or pus at the extraction site. If you experience any of these symptoms, contact your dentist immediately. Thank you for watching. By following these aftercare instructions, you'll help ensure a smooth and successful recovery after your tooth extraction. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tips and dental health information. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below or contact your dentist. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.